This is going to blow your mind. Yawning is way more important than you think. Turns out, it's not just about being sleepy. So here's the deal. When your brain gets a little overheated, like after you've been thinking hard or sitting in a warm room, your body needs a way to cool things down. That's where yawning comes in. When you yawn, you take a deep breath and stretch your jaw. This brings cool air into your mouth and helps cool off your brain, kind of like opening a window to let in a breeze. Scientists think this helps your brain stay alert and sharp. So, next time someone catches you yawning, just tell them, "Hey, I'm not bored, I'm just cooling off my brain." Pretty cool, right?